Hey guys, in this video, we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best brake bleeder kits that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Motive Products 0100 European Power Brake Bleeder Kit. The Motive Products European Power Brake Bleeder Kit might have ulterior motives, but considering how effective the kit is, we will not be questioning them. First things first, the kit works with cars with 45mm threaded hydraulic fluid reservoir caps. In other words, the pressure tank will fit most European cars, from Audi, BMW, and Mercedes to VW, Porsche, Saab, Volvo, and others. What's more, the kit is also compatible with some GM clutches. Aside from being compatible with the widest vehicle variety, the best part about this kit is volume, with the 2-quart pressure tank holding enough fluid to enable complete system flush. While the tank is flushing the system, the pressure gauge that comes with the package will provide accurate values, ensuring that the operation remains safe yet effective. Plus, the massive handle on the tank with long travel will let you pump with relative ease, and the gasket will make sure that you're not accidentally spilling the fluid. Moving on at number 4, we have the HTOMT 2-in-1 Brake Bleeder Kit Hand. The HTOMT Brake Bleeder Kit will let you bleed brakes and pump out fluids. Needless to say, the handheld pump that comes with this kit will let you pump out the fluid from the master cylinder and bleed the brakes. But apart from that, you'll also be able to pump out power steering fluid, pulling the fluid through the bleed nipple. This model eliminates the need to rely upon brake levers or pedals. What's more, the pressure gauge on the pump will let you test different vacuum-operated systems, fuel pumps, carburetors, etc. Between the multiple hoses and valve adapters that you receive with this kit, you'll be able to work with different vehicles and even seal jars with dry ingredients. Considering the pump's reduced footprint, this kit will prove especially comfortable for bleeding motorcycle hydraulic clutches. At number 3, we have the Copap 16PCS Brake Bleeder and Vacuum Pump Test Tuner Toolkit. The Copap Brake Bleeder and Vacuum Pump Test Tuner Toolkit follows the same route that brake bleeder kits are usually following, except that this time is even more comprehensive than they normally are. To go with the standard package, the kit's also shipped with a T-shaped hose joint, conical hose joint, straight hose joint, as well as a brake exhaust valve joints. Switching between these adapters, you'll be able to accommodate pretty much all automotive braking systems. These include motorcycle and automobile systems, American, European, Asian, you name them. Construction-wise, these accessories are pretty tough, but not quite as tough as the pump. Between the heavy-duty copper barrel and the high-strength metal shell, they will have no problem resisting rust and corrosion. Attached to the barrel, the pressure gauge will provide easily digestible and accurate reads. At number 2, we have the Somtton Brake Bleeder Kit. For the most part, what we've said about the 2 previous kits applies to Somtton Brake Bleeder Kit as well. Swapping between the bleed nipples and the vacuum hoses, you'll be able to tackle multiple entry-level vehicle settings and operations. Not unlike its competition, the manual pump that this kit shipped with will let you test fuel pumps, carburetors, and more vacuum-operated systems. The issue here is that the pressure gauge on the pump is not quite as accurate as the one on the previous models. So we would not necessarily advise against occasional double-checking. Let's just say that. While we're not crazy about the gauge, the replaceable O-ring cylinder head gasket and the rubber piston ring that you receive with this kit are a welcome addition to an otherwise standard package. They're not quite as welcome as the blow-molded carry case though, protecting the components inside and providing easy transport without you worrying about the pump and the accessories surviving the road intact. And finally, at number 1, we have the Mission Automotive 16 ounces Brake Bleeding Kit. The Mission Automotive Brake Bleeding Kit makes brake maintenance an easy task and lets you complete this task without making a huge mess. As you can tell, this is not quite the comprehensive kit that the previous sets are. This time, you do not receive quite as many accessories, which is the kit's both biggest weakness and biggest strength. The weakness part is obvious, since you do not receive a manual pump with a pressure gauge. This kit won't enable you to test vacuum-operated systems. The strength is that, without the huge case with multiple accessories, this brake bleeding tool is much more portable and easy to use than its more versatile peers. Just attach the valve with the 12-inch hose to the brake system, open the valve, and pump a few times on the brake till the fluid hose is full, without air bubbles. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.